Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today, I'll walk you through how to set up overlays in OBS Studio, step by step. Whether you're a VTuber, a gamer, or just getting into streaming, this guide will help your stream look clean and professional. Let's get straight into it. Step 1. Download OBS Studio. First, you need OBS Studio. If you haven't already downloaded it, go to obsproject.com and grab it for free. Once you've got OBS installed, open it up and we'll get started. Step 2. Setting up scenes. Scenes are the different layouts you'll use during your stream. Let's start by setting up your essential scenes. Click on the plus in Scenes. Name your first scene, Starting Soon. Add additional scenes like Be Right Back, Just Chatting, and Gameplay. Tip: having different scenes makes your stream flow smoother. Switching from your gameplay to a Just Chatting or Be Right Back scene keeps your audience engaged. Step 3. Adding your overlays. Now, let's talk about adding your overlays. If you don't have any yet, check out greatvtubers.com. We've got amazing Twitch overlays, VTuber models, and other streaming assets designed to make your stream stand out. Starting Soon overlay, click the plus under Sources, choose Media Source, and select your Starting Soon overlay file. If it's an animated overlay, make sure to check the loop option so it runs continuously. 2. Be Right Back. Overlay. Add another media source for your Be Right Back screen. This is perfect for when you need to step away from your stream, but want to keep viewers entertained. Step 4. Customizing your stream. Now, let's customize the layout. Add your webcam, chat, and gameplay to your gameplay scene. Webcam. Add a video capture device for your webcam feed. Resize and position it wherever you want on your overlay. Gameplay. Capture. Add a game capture source to show your gameplay footage in real time. Alerts and chat. You can even add Twitch alerts and chat widgets to engage with your viewers. Host tip: if you need animated alerts or custom chat boxes, check out greatvtubers.com. We've got plenty of assets to help you elevate your stream. That's it! You've just learned how to set up overlays in OBS. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more tutorials. And remember, if you need VTuber models, overlays, or any other streaming assets, check out greatvtubers.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.